Okay, this is the second in our series of videos for week 3. And this is page 36 of your activity manual. Before we get started, stop the video, go get your activity manual, turn to page 36, and get out these items, your unit cubes and your 2-colored chips. Oh, you'll need a die also if you've got one. If you don't have one, you could probably generate a random one on your computer. Look on your computer and there's probably a random dice generator. Sometimes calculators have them. All right, but I'm going to show you how this works. If we were in regular school, we would be doing this in class. Okay, this is an activity that deals with a visit to a make-believe planet called Foria. And in Foria, the monetary system they use consists of only 3 coins. Unlike our system where there are more coins than that, this one has 3 coins. A white coin worth $1 in US money, a red coin, and a blue coin. Now we don't have any blue, so we're going to have white coins, red coins, and yellow coins. So where it says blue, I'm using yellow. Okay. The white coin is worth $1. The red coin is worth 4 white ones. So 4 $1, which would be $4. And the yellow, not blue, but the yellow is worth 4 reds. Well, we just said the red was $4. So 4 $4 coins makes $16. All right, and it says to set up a sheet. You can use the one in your book, but it's very small, so I made my own sheet. And you'll play with someone else. And what you're going to do is you'll take turns rolling one die, and whatever you roll, you'll place that number of coins in the correct column, starting with the white. And you always put your coins in the white. And once you get 4 of anything, you have to trade them in. 4 whites is 1 red. So if you were to get 4 whites, you would have to trade them in for 1 red. If you get 4 reds, you trade them in for 1 yellow. And the winner of the game is the first one to get 2 yellows. Now this chart at the bottom just helps you establish what happens on every turn. Now I'm going to move this and show you my... I made a chart for me, and I'm pretending I'm playing with my husband. He's my videographer, though, so I'll play for both of us. So here's what happens. On the first roll, I'm going first. I roll, and I get a 5. Okay, 5 white ones, and they go here. But I can't keep, every time I get 4, I'm going to have to trade those in for a red. So I'm taking these 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to trade them in for a red. So that's what I've got now. And on my chart I write, I had 1, I rolled a 5, and I have 1 red and 1 white, because these are worth 1, 4, and 16. Now it's my husband's turn to roll. He's busy, so I'm doing it for him. Gosh, he gets a 6. All right, so he gets a 6, so... let's put out 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you can't have 4 or more in a column. So you have to take 4 whites and trade it for a red. So what he's got is 1 red and 2 whites. My turn again. I got a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, but I can't keep that many, so I'm going to trade those for a red. So I rolled a 4, and I have 2 reds and a white. I want to show you what happens when I get 4 reds, though. My husband's turn, he got a 2. Sorry. So that gives him 4 whites. He's got to trade them in for a red. So he rolled a 4. He now has 2 reds, no whites. My turn. I got a 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place them here. But I have to take 4 of them off and trade them in for a red. Yay. Yay me. So that's 3 reds, 2 whites. His turn. Ha! Too bad. 1. So he can't do anything. 2 reds, 1 white. My turn. I got a 2. Oh, well, this looks promising. Okay, this is interesting. Because I have 4 whites, I have to trade them in for a red. All right. Now, but look, I have 4 reds. I have to trade those in for a yellow. So, 1 yellow and nothing else. All right, I'm going to do his turn. But the object is I keep going until I have 2 yellows. And if I can get 2 yellows before he does, I win the game. Now, you may wonder what the object of this game is. I'm going to do his turn. Oh, gosh, he's got a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But remember, 4 of those have to go, and he gets a red. So he now has 3 reds, 3 whites. I'm still winning, though, because the yellow's better than any of them. Okay. The object of the game is to show you how this works in base 4, where everything is based on having groups of 4. Now, right now it may not make a lot of sense to you, but it will as we continue this study. As you know, we don't use that system in our traditional system. All right, I want you to practice with somebody, your roommate, somebody in your family, your boyfriend or girlfriend, your little brother or sister, anybody that you can beg to play with you, and practice this, because I want you to practice doing the groups of 4. It worries me that you don't have a dice, but I think you can find a random generator to do this. But before you go to the 3rd video, please practice this until you feel proficient, because there's going to be questions on the 4th video that require some knowledge of this. All right, thanks.